I am going to record a quick video just to show you the virtual microscope. So when we do the microscope in person in lab, we're going to have physical microscopes. But I do want you to know that you could do this at home as well. So there's little videos down here like microscope basics, using care of the microscope, microscope for beginners, questions and answers. And there's even an example of applying a simple stain to a bacterial culture. So all of those videos are super useful if you want to learn the parts of the microscope, which we will be doing in class. So those videos are recommended. And then we also have launch activity exercise, and I'm just going to run through it really quickly so that you can kind of pick up how to do this exercise. So when you click on launch activity, it should open up and you can click on the guide, learn, explore, test, and then you can just click around and learn the different parts of the microscope. So I clicked on this sort of center of the stage down here and it pointed to the iris diaphragm, so you can actually see the iris diaphragm from below as well. But what is that? Those are the stage adjustment knobs, moving the stage. So each one of these, that's a good way to learn the parts of the microscope. You can open up and you can look at all of these types of slides. So you have plant slides, animal slides, bacterial slides, human slides, just sample slides. So we do in lab start with the letter E. It's a very simple lab because it's easy to focus on and we know what we're supposed to be looking at. So here